In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Google Sheets by date. Filtering data in a spreadsheet can be incredibly helpful when you want to focus on specific information, like tracking weekly sales, viewing records before a particular date, or analyzing time-sensitive data. By the end of this guide, you'll be proficient in using Google Sheets filtering tools, allowing you to customize and control your data view with ease. Let's begin by heading over to Google Sheets. You can access it by navigating to Google Workspace and selecting Google Sheets from the available options. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. This step is essential since accessing and working with your documents requires a logged-in account. If you're not signed in, you should see a prompt to do so. With that out of the way, open the specific spreadsheet you intend to work on. If you have several documents, you might need to browse through to find the one with the data set you need. Once you've located it, click on it to load the sheet. The key here is to have a spreadsheet that contains dates you want to filter. Now that you have your sheet open, look for the column header that represents the dates you wish to work with. Clicking on this header highlights the entire column, ensuring that when you apply the filter, it'll affect the right data set. With the date column highlighted, perform a right-click, and you'll see a contextual menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Create a Filter. This option is crucial as it will enable the filtering features on your data, giving you the ability to narrow down the information in the column based on your specific criteria. After activating the filter, you'll notice a small funnel icon appear in the header of the highlighted column. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various filtering options. Here, you want to select Filter by Condition. This will allow you to specify more complex filtering rules beyond simple text or numerical data. Within the Filter by Condition option, click on the drop-down menu that appears. You'll see a list of different filtering criteria. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's choose Date is Before. This selection will allow us to filter all dates that precede a specific date you have in mind. A small input field should appear where you can pinpoint the exact date you're interested in. Type in the date you're looking to filter by, ensuring it's in the correct format, such as MMDDYYYY. Once you've entered your desired date, simply click OK. This final action will apply the filter, and you'll immediately notice your data view changes to display only the rows with dates prior to the one you specified. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to filter dates in Google Sheets, a powerful tool to hone in on specific analytics and manage your data effectively.